Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Widerock Academy. In this video, I will show you how to convert Ubitcoins to Ultraverse coins and receive them in your SafePal wallet. So let's get started. First, open your SafePal app and here you can see my Ubitcoins and Ultraverse coins. To convert Ubitcoins to Ultraverse coins, we will first send our Ubitcoins to the UbitSwap account. To do so, first log into your UbitSwap account, navigate to the Ubit deposit section, click the deposit button, copy the deposit address. Next, go back to your SafePal app, click on Ubit in your wallet, tap the send button, paste the copied deposit address in this field. Now enter the amount of Ubitcoins you want to transfer, click next and then send. That's it. The transfer will take a few seconds to complete. Okay, once done, go back to your UbitSwap account, click on the sync request button. So here you will see that the Ubitcoins have been successfully deposited. Now go back to dashboard. Here you can see my updated Ubitcoins. Now the next step is to convert Ubitcoins to Ultraverse coins. To do so, click the swap button here. Now we need to decide where to receive the Ultraverse coins. For this video, I will show you how to receive them in your SafePal wallet. To do so, open your SafePal app. Click on UVC in your wallet, tap the receive button and copy your UVC receiving address here, just copy. Now go back to your browser and paste the copied address. Enter the amount you wish to convert. Now the OTP will be sent to my registered contact like email. Enter OTP. After that, click on this send request button. So now the conversion request may take up to 24 hours to process. So let's quickly verify. Go back to your SafePal app. As you can see here, I have successfully received my converted Ultraverse coins, and that's how you can convert Ubitcoins to Ultraverse coins and receive them in your SafePal wallet. And thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.